little bit, scalping 1,000. All right, terrible day, terrible day. 100% win rate, but terrible day. I think they definitely liquidity sweep these 8 a.m. lows at 21,940. That's climbing above the 200 SMA again. Nvidia just steadily coming down. Nvidia is now at 1.4% up. Palantir back up to 2.2%, trying to climb. If you guys are new here, smash that like button, follow the channel, subscribe. We're live every day at 9:30 a.m. EST, trading the Nasdaq. Bitcoin coming up. Video coming up.
Order filled.
I'll join for now. I think they do swipe these 8 a.m. lows, but I think the momentum can carry this one. Bitcoin's coming up pretty hard. Video starting to come up. Could all be a fake out. Could all be a fake out. Looking for a little more. Above the 200 SMA. They could wick it down here. I think they got a little wick. Come on. Up 100. Little higher. It's struggling. Palantir coming down. Okay, we're wicking up. Scalping 340. This is probably going to go to the ES pre-market high, but not liking how it looks. Plus, a lot of people are betting for this to go up, so it's better for them to drop this down.
Order filled.
I'll join. Even though I am bullish, I'm probably only going to scalp this. One more leg, a little lower, and I'm out. Alright, scalp 350.
Order filled.
Not where I wanted to take it, but manipulated up, so we'll see. They could take this pretty hard. Could just be a debate. Bitcoin's coming up. Nvidia's starting to come up. Would have liked ES to tap the VWAP. Would have liked NQ to tap that pivot point. Alibaba coming up. Very good. We need Nvidia to keep propping. It's trying to come down. We need Palantir to get back up to 2.2% up. ES, RSI just got above that MA. Trying to get above the 200 SMA. It would make sense for them to go to this top 15-minute orb. This should be a home run. We'll see. We need Nvidia to keep propping up. Alibaba almost up 3% now. Palantir needs to continue to prop. They could be faking it up. Bitcoin coming up hard though. Not bad. I'm not liking how slow Nvidia is to the party. That's the only thing. I'm at least going to hold till they swipe that high. Because if they really do want to bring this down, they'll likely swipe that high. Even today is it's been a little unconventional, so they don't have to, they can just go, but I assume they'll want to take the shorts out. Falling below that trend line. ES about top the VWAP. Yeah, Nvidia, what are you doing? Looks like Nvidia is gunning for the gap. What are you doing, Nasdaq? What are you doing, sir? ES taking another leg lower, tapping that pivot point. It fell back into the range. This is the low of the range. Pivot point below that. About to tap the top 15-minute orb. Nvidia is very weak. Wicking down. Okay, they either bounce here or they don't.
Order filled.
Adding 2. Nvidia is trying to come up. Still very weak. Tapping the 200 SMA.
Order filled.
Full risk. So a little light from the ES. May get it, may not. Tapping the VWAP. A little higher, little bit, scalping 1,000. All right, terrible day. 100% win rate, but terrible day. Out with 1,600, terrible day. I will be back tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. So smash the like button, follow, subscribe. Persevere through resistance. Do not fear the unknown. Do not fear missing out. And there are no missed opportunities. Only the next one. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.